Today, the Indian pharmaceutical industry, I have got the opportunity in the industry to witness for the last 45 years. So, if I look into the evolution of the pharmaceutical industry in India, that's like 1970 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 2000, 2000 to 2010, 2010 to 2020. Now, of course, from 2020 onwards, we are nearing to the 2030. The tremendous progress. You can't believe if you write a book, no, on the evolution of the pharma industry. And if you ask me, anybody has got this kind of the vision to forecast that no, Indian pharmaceutical industry would have been reached at this level, I immediately say no. To my knowledge, I started my career in 1980. I never know. All, from all fronts, the research, manufacturing, marketing, regulatory, the quality. These are the main tools to become a success in any industry in any country. In 2000, if I remember correctly, in 1998 when I visited USA, we tried to sell the ranitidine from Dr. Reddy's labs. But we couldn't get any of the customer who expresses his interest to import this drug, a simple ranitidine drug. That today, as Chakravarti told, in the volume wise, maybe they may claim the trillions of billions of the dollars, but that is because of their innovative origin, products till the patent expiry, maybe value is more. But as per the volume is concerned, I have visited there. Whenever I go to USA, I got the opportunity, to visit a couple of the stores. Earlier, I used to go there, I have to search for any product manufactured in India I can see. Today, if I see any rack in any pharmacy, I can find. This is the product manufactured by Dr. Reddy's. This is the product manufactured by Cipla. Like the top 25 companies ruling the USA generic company. Today, earlier, any product comes out of the patent. Hardly, 20 years before also, hardly there is one company used to be one among the top in the world to launch that product after the patent expiry. Today, do you know the story? Last week also one product got approval after the patent expiry. All the competitors are Indian companies only. All 100%. 10 dossiers from India. And it's a shocking news for me. The prices also, how we are going to contribute, how we are being contributing to the US economy. That is the trillions of dollars in the US economy budget toward the medication. Do you know how we are contributing to the US economy? If I look into the last decade, there is $1 trillion because of the Indian pharmaceutical industry. They could save it either through in the form of the insurance or in the form of the USA, the budget toward the healthcare. And next 10 years, I look into the products which are coming out of the patent. The same situation. All the products, A&Es are filed by the Indian companies. One more thing I am telling, the smartness of and unfortunate situation of the Indian generic companies. In Hetero, I am the chairman of Hetero, basically I am a scientist. Last week we filed the dossier. Do you know when I can get the opportunity to market it? In 2035. That means I have to wait for the 10 years. Still I thought that I am the only one I filed, I will get the opportunity for the 6 months. After filing, I looked into 2 other companies, Indian companies are there. See how the market dynamics in India taking place, how the people are working, how the scientific talent are really proving their capabilities and the performance, really remarkable. And one more thing, example I will give. One of the drug, $6 billion drug, this midnight came out of the patent. There are the 9 filers, 6 billion, okay, equivalent to the total exports from Telangana, about 50,000 crores or something. Evening, we are supposed to quote because next day morning, product is ready, they are going to, every company is going to release the product there into the market. They asked the header to quote the price. We have quoted the 5% of the value of the today. What happened? The 5% of the 6 billion is 300 million. What I thought is that I may get $10 million business in this year. Every 1 hour there is a phone call. 5 to 5.5, 4, 4.5, somebody quoted to. Ultimately, do you know what is the price we have launched? 0.5%. 0.5% of the 6 billion, how much? That means overnight, the industry could contribute the $6 billion equivalent economy to that country. So, hats off to the Indian companies, but unfortunately, it is unfortunate that no, we are not able to get the returns and valuation back to our country when compared to the deservedness of our industry. That's very unfortunate, but still, it's okay. One more example, when I used to go 20 years before, all the countries, they used to say that no, if it is a USA product only, if you are exporting to USA, give it to us. I have got the opportunity to visit 100 countries. And Heto has got the opportunity to sell the products in 100 countries. We have got offices in 100 countries. So we have got a little bit closer relations with the local distribution and the local marketing partners. Today, no questions what is the price we are giving. There is no scope that we are going to talk quality. What the people are talking to, you know, if it is a product manufactured in India, it is understood that it is a quality product. We need not to cross check. We need not to cross check. Give the product. When you are giving, what is the price? One more thing I would like to add. Earlier, some of the companies, the big companies, they used to ask only the 5 companies only we wanted to buy. No. I have got a small company, I am making one product in Hyderabad in a small state. By complying the regulatory procedures, they are not bothered giving. So it reflects the acceptance of the world industry, world like a patient community, world medical professionals about the USA, about our products manufactured in India, quality-wise and the service-wise. So what is the future? I told the story of how to fight and we have become the experts. And this information is also not coming from USA. How much Krishna is quoted within 5 minutes I am getting. Krishna is quoted 4.5, I have to reduce 4.5. And again the information is going back to Krishna telling no, Hedra is quoted 4.2, I have to reduce 4. Overnight, this is the information among the industry. Such a fast. So, because you know that we are all smart, of course, with due respect to all the marketing people. But the future, what to do, how to do. My belief as a scientist, as long as human life is on the earth, there is a requirement of the medication. If you do not, or if you cannot make it, somebody is going to make it. You wanted to make it, you wanted to be in the business, it is up to you. That is the choice. So, how many people, any number of the people can come in it, provided he should be in a position to compete. Any country, the countries like Mali also, we used to supply like 10,000 tablets, but it's okay. My interest is as a scientist, the patient reach is very important. Whatever I produce, whether it is in Africa, whether it is in Maldives, whether it is in America, whether it is in any other country, whether it is in India, one quality, and my medicine should be in a position to cure the disease of that particular patient. That's only motto what we believe in Petro, what we follow, right from chairman to a small chemist. That's how we do in our Petro. Thank you very much. And I wanted you all of you to good luck as far as our companies are concerned, our profits are concerned, but all of you together by participating in this event, You brought a lot of value addition to this event, and as a president of this event, I am very much extremely happy about all your support, cooperation, and I have to express my heartfelt thanks to all of you. Thank you very much. Have a nice event next 2 days.